Let me show you how to do this intense Valentine's Day look. Let's get right into it. So first things first, we're going to put on some foundation. I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I just love this stuff. It's a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm going to put this on and I'll see you in a minute. Now using my e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer, I'm just going to put it on a few spots here. Like this, definitely right there. I'm going to put it a little bit right here and some right here as well. And then the last little spot is right here. I find it helps make my makeup stick just a little bit extra. So now I'm just adding a little bit of setting powder and I'm just gonna put it on my nose right up here and right here as well. So now we're gonna contour, but we're gonna contour with like a really cute pink. So we're gonna go with Not That Innocent and we're gonna contour first. Start with the cheekbones and bring it up. Kind of go in circular motions. This way it blends it out a little bit more. Lovely. A little bit right up here as well. And remember, we don't want to blend it out too much because it is supposed to be like kind of more of like a harsher look here. And just like really kind of in your face. Get the jaw too. And get right in here. Now we're going to contour right here. Bring it down. Kind of bring it right up in here as well. And we are also going to put it right here to kind of really help highlight this area, like as if I had a tan. And bring it down a little bit. And a little bit right in here. And right here on the nose. And like that. And then right here. You can bring it down the neck a little bit too, like right here. And then you can go right here as well. Now let's add some heart stickers to our cheeks, and then we're gonna add blush on top. The stickers are on. We're going in with our MAC Petal Power. We're gonna dab like this, and we are also going to dab on like this. Do not do brushing motions because that will take the sticker off, okay? So you just wanna keep dabbing and building up the pigment here. And then the way that we're going to make the pigment, like the heart, stand out even more is we are going to highlight the outside of it with a dark pink and then the inside with a white eyeliner. That way it's just like popping for you. And I'd say that's about enough product. The one had even fallen off even with the dabbing, and that's fine. That happens. Don't panic. We still have the outline of the heart, and that's what's important. So I'm just taking them off with some tweezers here. And I know the outline doesn't look very big right now, but that's why we are exactly going to be using this pink eyeliner, doing the outside and then the white on the inside. So I need a mirror for this, but I'll show you one. Lovely. Now we're going to do the inside with white. All right, now let's do the white. Lovely. You can even fill it in all the way just to give it an extra pop, which is actually what I think I'm going to do. Lovely. Now it's like boom, right in your face. So I'm going to do that to the other four as well. So the hearts are on. They may not be perfect, but they are on. So we're starting off with this beautiful pale pink called Pink Leather. And this is from the Millennial Pinks from the Milk Cosmetics. And we're just going to put this all over our eye to really build up a good base and go underneath as well. Put it right over the contour and really bring it out. Now we're going in with our Fenty palette with the color Little Miss here. And what we're going to do is we're going to do an outline on the eye, just like that. I also added a little bit of Stunt Queen right up here, just to kind of even it out, and a little bit of the Little Miss right there, just to give it a little extra dimension. Now do your eyebrows however you like to do them. Now add a little bit of the Shea Glam highlighter, just using my finger. A little bit on the inner corner here, a little bit right here as well, a little bit right there, here, right there, here as well, and dab it right there. Lovely. And then right down here as well, right here and there. So do your lips however you like. I'm recommending pink. I'm putting on some mascara and then we're gonna put on our extras. Yay! I have 3 different colors of construction paper and I'm gonna cut tiny little strips of each, two on each color. So to make these curl, you're gonna pick whichever end is thickest that you think would be easier to glue down and hold that there, okay, like this with your thumb. And then you're just gonna pull this through, but not too tight that it cuts it, okay? And then makes it curly. There we go. So I had to cut it a little bit shorter, and what I did is I anchored it to my eye slightly. All right, so I'm gonna show you this. It's a little rough, but here we go. So I'm gonna anchor it here and have it coming off to the side. You might have to wait for the glue to dry a little bit more, but I think you get the idea. So one eye is completely done, but we're also going to like attach these to certain places to make it look a little bit more whoa. This one we're gonna attach up here, so I'll just put a little bit of glue here. There it is, all anchored. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!